Welcome to this presentation on digital twin of grid-connected battery storage system for real-time state of charge estimation. This research was conducted by Namita Kumari et al. And published in recently. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Good morning, everyone. Today, we delve into the critical area of battery energy storage management within microgrids. The theoretical gap we address is the limited application of digital twin concepts for real time state of charge estimation in grid connected battery systems, especially outside the electric vehicle domain. While digital twins have shown promise for electric vehicles, their comprehensive deployment for grid connected batteries and microgrids remains underdeveloped. Our research hypothesis is that a digital twin model, leveraging machine learning, can accurately and continuously estimate the state of charge of a grid connected battery energy storage system, thereby enhancing energy management and extending battery lifespan. Our baseline assumptions include the availability of real time operational data from the physical battery system, the ability to establish a robust communication link between the physical and virtual counterparts, and the suitability of machine learning algorithms to capture the complex, non-linear dynamics of battery behavior under varying grid conditions. Our methodology involves developing a digital twin model for a grid-connected battery system comprising two primary data-driven models, one for the battery itself and another for its interfacing converter. For the battery model, designated M1, we use direct current voltage and direct current to predict the state of charge. This approximates the battery's behavior as a simple direct current source. For the converter model M2, which represents the inverter, we use direct current voltage and direct current as inputs, predicting the D-axis current, Q-axis current, active power, and reactive power at the point of common coupling. These models are trained using data generated from real-time simulations on a Typhoon hardware in the loop simulator, specifically for a 100 ampere-hour capacity battery system operating in grid feeding mode with a power range of 0 to 50 kilowatts. The dataset is split 80% for training and 20% for testing. We employ a pipeline algorithm to combine these two models into a single integrated digital twin. Crucially, the digital twin is designed for continuous synchronization with the physical asset through a batch learning update strategy, where new data collected over 24-hour windows are used to retrain and refine the combined model. We evaluated 5 machine learning algorithms: linear regression, decision tree, random forest, artificial neural network, and support vector machine, assessing their performance using root mean square error and R-squared values. Our comparative analysis of the 5 machine learning models revealed significant differences in performance. The random forest model demonstrated the highest accuracy, achieving a root mean square error of 0.10 and an R-squared value of 0.99. Here, the decision tree algorithm also performed exceptionally well, with a root mean square error of 0.11 and an R-squared of 0.99. Both models exhibited strong generalization performance and robustness in capturing the complex, non-linear interactions inherent in state of charge dynamics under varying grid conditions. In stark contrast, linear regression and artificial neural network models showed poor predictive accuracy, with root mean square errors of 89.88 and 61.06, respectively, and negative R-squared values. This indicates their inability to adequately capture the non-linear and dynamic nature of state of charge in real-world grid-connected scenarios. The support vector machine model offered modest performance, with a root mean square error of 13.6 and an R-squared of 0.74, suggesting it could represent some non-linearity but lacked the precision of the tree-based methods. Validation against real-time Typhoon hardware in the loop simulations confirmed that the predicted state of charge closely matched the actual state of charge, even under dynamic charging and discharging conditions, and when subjected to a city load curve profile. This high-density data summary underscores the superior performance of ensemble tree-based models, particularly random forest, for real-time state of charge estimation in grid-connected battery systems. The theoretical implications of our findings are substantial. By demonstrating the superior performance of ensemble tree-based machine learning models, specifically random forest, for real-time state of charge estimation in grid-connected battery systems, we challenge the reliance on traditional model-based or simpler data-driven approaches that often struggle with the inherent nonlinearity and dynamic variations of battery behavior. Existing models frequently require complex parameter identification or fail to generalize across diverse operating conditions. Reason computation. Our digital twin framework, with its continuous data integration and machine learning core, provides a robust solution that adapts to the evolving characteristics of the battery over its lifespan. This challenges the notion that a static, pre-calibrated model can suffice for accurate, long-term state of charge monitoring. Furthermore, the successful application of this digital twin concept to grid-connected battery systems, rather than just electric vehicles, significantly contributes to the future research frontier by opening new avenues for intelligent energy management in microgrids. It lays the groundwork for predictive maintenance, optimized dispatch strategies, and enhanced grid stability, moving beyond mere monitoring to proactive control. This approach facilitates the exploration of hypothetical or extreme operating scenarios that are unsafe or impractical to test on physical systems, providing invaluable insights for robust system design and operational planning. In conclusion, our core contribution to the field is the development and validation of a digital twin model for grid-connected battery energy storage systems that accurately predicts state of charge in real time. By leveraging machine learning, particularly the random forest algorithm, we have demonstrated a highly effective method for continuous battery monitoring, which is crucial for optimizing battery lifespan and enhancing overall microgrid performance. This digital twin evolves with the physical system, continuously updating its understanding of battery behavior through batch learning. For future research, we identify several high-level directions. Firstly, integrating advanced time series models, such as long short-term memory networks or gated recurrent units, to forecast future state of charge trajectories, moving beyond current state estimation to predictive intelligence. Secondly, expanding the digital twin to incorporate state of health estimation, providing a more comprehensive view of battery degradation and remaining useful life. Finally, exploring the application of this digital twin framework for optimal battery dispatch and control strategies within a dynamic microgrid environment, allowing for proactive energy management and fault prevention.